5G network.
Time slipping away. Time slipping away. And I've been begging to say,
your voice is just as beautiful as I remember it.
oh gosh, I was just procrastinating my work.
Work, you should be outside enjoying the festival.
There's an ice sculpting competition happening today.
I really wish I could, but I'm on a tight deadline. What are you two up to?
Oh, I need to get some brushes from the chest, and we'll be out of your hair.
I bumped into Mayor Thomas, at the paint store, and he was nice enough to offer his help.
Oh, that's so great.
I haven't dabbled in quite some time, but an older gentleman came in for brunch and saw my winter landscape painting on the wall and encouraged me to start doing it again. So I decided to go to the paint store, and what do you know? There was Catherine.
Well, sounds like fate to me.
Anyway, honey, we'll leave you be.
It was so nice to see you both.
You too.
You too.
Stayed up all night and I finished the first draft, and I loved your input. Any advice for making a new poster? Thanks for the inspiration. Clutch.
Emma, did you read the new script? I did. That's why I was on my way to see you. Is your dad around? He's at the theater. What's that? Well, I designed a new flyer and I wanted to see what he thought about it.